Good morning, everybody. Today, you'll need your learner's book, your workbook, and your exercise book, and of course your pencil case. Now, take a look at the Explore panel on page 67. Let's read together. I have got 16 questions right. I have got 18 questions right. Let's take a look at the number line. 16 is here, and 18 is here. Which is more? That's right, 18 is more. Let's take a look at the second one. I have 7 books in my bag. I have 6 books in my bag. On the number line, 6 is here and 7 is here. Who has more? That's right, 7 is more than 6. Let's take a look at this one. I have 1 10-cent coin and 6 1-cent coins. I have 1 10-cent coin and 3 1-cent coins. 10 cents plus 6 cents equals 16 cents. 10 cents plus 3 cents equals 13 cents. On the number line, 13 is here and 16 is here. Who has more? She has more. 16 cents is more than 13 cents. Now for the last one. I have 1 10 and 5 ones. I have 2 10s. 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 plus 10 is 20. Let's look at the number line. 15 is here. 20 is here. So who has more? That's right. This girl with 20 has more because 20 is more than 15. Now let's try page 68 of the learner's book. "18, 13. Which number is larger? Which number is smaller?" 18 is more than 13. 13 is less than 18. Name a number that is between 13 and 18. 15 is between 13 and 18. We can compare it to these numbers, 13 and 18. 15 is more than 13, but less than 18. So 18 is larger than 13, 13 is smaller than 18. 15 is between 13 and 18. Let's take a look at another example. 3 and 7. Which is larger? Which is smaller? 7 is larger than 3. 3 is smaller than 7. What number is between 3 and 7? Well, the numbers that are more than 3 but less than 7. So 4, 5, 6 are between 3 and 7. Use cubes to make a number between each pair of numbers. A. 14 and 17. On our number line, 14 goes here, 17 goes here. And our numbers between are the numbers that are more than 14 and less than 17. So with our cubes, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 15 and 16 are between 14 and 17. Let's take a look at B. 15 and 18 on our number line. Here we have 15, here we have 18. The numbers between are the numbers that are more than 15 and the numbers that are less than 18. So these two numbers are between 16 and 17. So with our cubes, let's make 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. 16 and 17 are between 15 and 18. Now C. 13, 11. On our number line, 13 goes here, 11 goes here. The number that is more than 11 and less than 13 is between. So number 12. With our cubes, 10, 11, 12. 12 is between 11 and 13. Use more or less to complete each sentence. A. Let's count in fives. 5, 10, 11. On our number line, goes down here. Is more or less than 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. On our number line is down here. So 11 is more or less than 13? That's right, 11 is less than 13. A number in between. So in between means more than 11 but less than 13. And so the number in between is 12. B. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 is more or less than 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 18 is more or less than 14. Yes, that's right. It's more. 18 is more than 14. A number in between is a number that is more than 14 but less than 18. So a number in between is 15, 16 or 17. I chose 16, but 15 and 17 are right too. Copy and complete these statements. 10 more than 10 is. 10 more than 20 is. Let's take a look at our number line. Starting from 0, we have jumps of 10. 0 plus 10 is 10. Plus 10, 20. 10 more, 30. 10 more, 40. 10 more, 50. So, 10 more than 10. If I have 10 and I go 10 more, I have 20. That's right. 10, 20. B. 10 more than 20. So if I have 20 here and I go 10 more, I have 30. That's right. So 10 more, 10, 20, 10 more, 30. The last one, 10 less than 20. So here I have 10, 20. On my number line, 20. 10 less gives me 10. That's right. So 20 less 10 is 10. Now take a look at page 69 of your learner's book. This is a 2-digit number. We can split 2-digit numbers into tens and ones. Here we have our whole number, which is 14, we can split it into one part with the tens, and we have 110 here, and to another part with the ones, and we have 4 ones. The whole number has been split into 2 parts. We can use arrow cards to show this. Here we have the whole number. This is the tens, and this is the ones. 14 can be split into 10 and 4. Again, 14 split into 10 and into 4. Make each number with rods and cubes. Split it into 2 parts. What numbers can you make? Here, A, we have our whole number, which is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and we can split this into tens with 1 10 rod and 4 with the 4 cubes. So we can make 10 and 4. B, you've got 16, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we can split this into tens with a 10 rod and 6 with our cubes. So 10 and 6. Finally, C, 19. So we have a 10 rod, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And we can split this into tens. Put our 10 rod here. And ones with our 9 that go here. So 10 and 9. Number 2. Make these numbers. So let's start with A, 14. So our whole number is 14. We split it into tens and ones. So 1 10 here and 4 ones. B, 16. So we have our whole number, that is 16, and we can split it into 1 10, which makes 10, and 6 ones, which makes 6. And C, our whole number, which is 19, that we can split into 1 10 and 9 ones. The question is, which number will you make from the arrow cards 10 and 9? And here we have 10 and 9, and it's number 19. Our last question B. Which 2 arrow cards will you use to make the number 17? Well, if our whole number is 17, we would use 10 and 7. Copy and complete to show how numbers can be split. So here we have 15 and here we have 18. We can split 15 into 110. 110 is 10. And 5 ones, which is 5. 18 can be split into 110 and 8 ones. That's all for today. Bye bye.